Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for showering so much of love on me on my channel. And so sorry video थोड़ा late आया, but आप लोगों ने इतना patiently wait करा, इतना प्यार दिया, उसके लिए thank you so much. So this is my first YouTube video, so I thought why not to start with the base of the makeup, which is foundation, concealing, correcting and everything, which you will see in the video. लोग यूजुअली इसे इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस देते नहीं हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर इसमें थोड़ी सी भी आपसे गलती हो जाए या कुछ भी हो, आपके मेकअप को एक केकी पैची कर देती है. सो लेट्स हेड टू द वीडियो. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज moisturizing your skin, and for that I'm using Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. This is best for oily skin type. The most important step is to first know more about your skin. Rub it all over your face very nicely so that no oil is left on your face. Let it now get absorbed in the skin properly, and after that I'm using Nykaa gel based primer. So first taking it on my hand, you can see it. Yeah, so the next step is concealing your dark circles and other areas which needs some concealing. I'm not using any corrector because I don't have that scars or patches on my face. It is Elegant concealer. You can easily get it from Nykaa. Yeah. And for it, I'm using packed beauty blenders. Make sure you conceal your skin under the eyes, especially in V shape. Just dab it on your skin. Make sure you blend it very nicely. Yeah. So there are many people who use foundation and concealer together, but I preferred using concealing and after that foundation. And for foundation I'm using Huda Beauty foundation in Macaroon 230N. It gives me high coverage, so I'm using a very small amount of it on my face. Little bit on my neck. This is the common mistake which is made by everyone, that they forget applying it on their neck while doing makeup, which gives you a difference in your skin tone and looks really bad. Now just dab the beauty blender on your face. There are some makeup artists who just smudge it like this. It doesn't give you a fine finish. Never forget your ears also, because when you take photographs, ears look different. Let's move it to the neck section. Here you can rub a little bit, not too much. If you think you require a little bit more of foundation, so you can. From my ear to the neck. So yeah, next step is baking your face, which is very important. It avoids creasing your face. For this I'm using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium, and for that pack gives you a very good blender. It's like this. Take it a small amount, put it under your eyes. It lets your makeup stay and without creasing. You can also apply it with a brush, but I prefer it using a beauty blender. A little bit on my forehead. Don't worry, because you're gonna remove it with a brush or beauty blender also afterwards. When you will do eyeshadow and the powder falls on it, so you can just wipe it off so nicely, it will not leave any powder on your face. After letting it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm brushing it off with a thick brush. It is very beneficial in the summers as you sweat a lot. It helps in keeping your makeup intact. So, yeah. So this was it for my first video. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon also. If you have any suggestions, do comment down below. 3, 2, 1, boom!